Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to untag yourself from Facebook post in feed. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open our Facebook app on our phone. Go to the notification bar located at the top right corner of your screen, second option, and click on the post that you are tagged. Now, in order for you to remove tag, you need to click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the post. And this will give you these options. And one of it is the remove tag option below. You just need to click on that. You are no longer tagged in the post. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!